Back to Pegasus Club. Today we are going to solve another CTF challenge named called Tech1. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first open the terminal. So just type here as sudo su, enter your password. Then we just type here net discover -i80. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine is here. Now I just quit now. You just type here as Nmap -34 -a is an aggressive scan, and my targeted IP address is 42. 192.168.18.42. So now let's wait for the Nmap result. So in the Nmap result, one is available with FTP, that is an anonymous login, another one is available with SSH, and another one is port is 8. So first we would like to open the Firefox, then we would like to open new tab. So first we would like to try with as directory buster, HTTP. Enter our targeted IP address 18.42. Then we would like to come back here. So we would like to it's clear. So we would like to go with as Nicto -h HTTP. Enter our targeted IP address. So first we would like to visit here 192.168.18.42. So it's hosted in the event 2 Apache server. It's in default. So we would like to look the pesos. So in pesos we not get any useful information. Okay, so I just quit here, come back. It was available in the WordPress, so we just open this. Then later we would like to look here. It's not even coming. So it was hosted in the WordPress, but even this targeted WordPress website is not loading it properly. So then we would like to try to go with the as FTP login. So let it come this first, then we would like to go for FTP. So in the WordPress website, we already know the default like WP admin, WP content, WP includes. All will be presented here. Then let me like to look here. So it's not loading here. Now let's come back here. So it may take a little time for this. Yes. So we have got it here. So it not yet properly installed. That's the way it came as connection is timeout. Now we would like to log in through as FTP. Now we would like to go back here. So we just type clear. Now just type enter our FTP, enter our target IP address 18.42. Enter your password is anonymous. So I have logged in successfully. Now just type here as list -lh. Now here only have get a node.txt. We have got it here. Now just type here as exit. Now just type clear. Now just type here as cat node.txt. Dear PWN Lab, my name is Jacque. Your password is very weak and easily crackable. I think change your password. Okay. I would like to utilize the Hydra minus F. So username is this one, PWN Lab. Then just type paste it. Password. So I would like to specify a rocky.txt user share a word list, and you just type here as rocky.txt. Then I would like to specify here is as such enter word. So I just put here as our targeted IP address 18.42 and as such. So it may go for cracking the SSH now. Now let me like that's it. Now let's come back here. The WordPress WP admin. We would like to look here in the WP admin what we can get it here. So this may not get it. Now let's come back here. So this may take a little bit time to crack this password. Then let's come back here. So here it was posted in all WP admin WP content. So but we not get the right thing here. So let it be. We would like to look all. So let it may take a little bit time to crack. About this SH password. So let me like to look here. So I have got the SH password name is password is baby girl. I just type here as SH. Username is PWN lab. So just copy, paste it, enter your targeted IP address 18.42. Just type yes. Then you just type here as baby girl. Just copy, paste it. Now we have successfully logged in here. Now just type here as ls minus l. We got it here. Now just type here as scat user.txt. We found the user. Now we just look here as bash.history. So just copy. We just type here as scat bash.history. So where we would like to look here. So we just type here as sudo minus f. It's like a file. You just copy this one. Now let me would like to walk to the GDF4 bits. Let we would like to walk to here. Now just try here as a file for a shell. So I would like to utilize this as a file as exec. Wait, so just copy this one. Now let me, I just paste it here, enter. No, that's not come. Now I would like to utilize this as sudo, just copy, come back, let paste it. So I have successfully got it here as root now. Now just write cm I root. You just write here as who am I? Arrow. cd arrow plus minus air. You got it here. Now just type here as cat root.txt. So congratulations. So we have successfully completed this mission. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.